Dear future Carlos, I know at the moment you're going through good life or better life, but always remember where you came from. Life hasn't been easy, hasn't been the way you wanted to be when you were starting. You have grown from being street kid to children's home to a life with many friends outside there. Never forget that life. Never forget who you are. At the moment, as me, I believe I'm going to be a very important person in this world. I'm going to be one of the richest photographers and videographers in this country at the moment. As I'm saying this, I may have even less than 100,000 in my account or 10,000 in my account. But I have faith we can do this. And if you'll be watching this in future, always remember you had a hard time to grow up. You have people to take care of. You have a lot of people that are going to be depending on you. Don't forget them. Even if people never help you, be there for them. Be there for people. You have seen many people going outside there without help from their family, from their friend. Never turn your back to any one of them, because you also someone somewhere hold your hand to reach where you are. First of all, Mama Tunza was there. Second, there is Josie from Canada. There is Eva, Viberg family, and Hans from Sweden. They have been there for you. They help you, they pay your school fees. You have gone even to university because of them. So, when you make it, don't ever forget about them. Don't ever forget anyone who knocks on your door. Be there for them. Help one another. Thank you.